why is it smoking, bro?
I was trying to catch up to you guys, man.
Yeah, I know. We like, Razy told me we're like. Yeah, this look. The cops just showed up at Harry closing the hood. Oh, he's going over there. It didn't go anywhere.
It was just spinning tire.
It was. Yeah. Oh.
You can't put that on.
No, I can't put that. Yeah, bro. You take over. Christian's the one that started it, and Christian's the one that says he grills every day, so you're gonna be on grill duty. Let me see that again, bro. VTech tuning. I know you got that slow network, but check this out. VTech tuning. Hold on. Hey, that's me. What's up, man?
Mustache. Like your mustache and your beard.
Someone can sit here if they want. It's a really steady chair. It's a steady chair, bro. Just don't move too much, yeah. Oh, what's going on here?
What? She's got the brake fluid right here, man.
That's a fat ass turbo right there. Yeah, damn. I was looking at the turbo right there.
Yeah. You know, the trannies up here and shit.
Oh, shit.
Yo, Christian lifts up his hood and he has his fucking that right there.
Just vomiting. Just chilling. Vomiting. You're vomiting. You always forget to open them.
What are these, like just the things? But
These are for the hoses for the coolant, but they're just
Oh, he just wiped it down.
But there's just it's just for like so they could look better. So it could look like because it's sweet. What up? Be careful, be careful. What up, what up?
It's a picture.
It's your home. I got some fresh pictures, bro. Some fresh pictures. Okay.
Woo! Fresh dipstick. Yeah, man.
Let's keep this guy's head open since he's not here.
That's fresh, man. I have the same thing. Cut out, not as much.
Damn.
He's got the fresh tight up. That's legit. Cops like that.
Oh damn! I didn't actually. Hey, you just gonna leave it open?
My switch is full cover, man.
Brothers need some oil. Could we siphon some of his oil out of here? Look, this one's clean over here. The engine is clean. This one's clean.
You know about this right here, nigga? You know about this right here?
This is like brand new.
You look dirty right now.
That's all good.
You know?
Got these, they're blue.
They're blue.
Really?
Got these. They're blue.
There, that guy over there. What about yours? What you got under the? Nah.
we need to see it,
Nah, let's go. Come on.
Dang, this is.
Huh? My cables are black. Oh look, they stopped. They're like, they're about to take the engine and shit.
I know, just come out.
Oh no, they pulling out the whip.
Oh, gotta buy something now.
If you want to check this one out, you just look through the holes. Peek through the hole. If you want to see this one, just peek through the holes. That's it. That's all you get. Just peek through the holes.
Damn.
Put that up, Eric.
Put that up, Eric. Yeah,
I thought that shit was the same, but just black wires.
There's black wires. Hella.
Do it.
Yeah.
Well, just the front though.
Oh, he didn't take it out?
Nah, huh? You
That shit rebuilt. 0 miles on that shit.
And the motor?
Yeah,
Yes.
I have another car, so this should just...
Is it? What is it? It's like.
It's plastic dip.
Oh. can't vlog me, bro. You can't. Like,
Yeah, but you gotta stand on how you doing, sir?
That one, you made everyone else pop their hood.
Pop your hood.
Pop your hood. Everyone else pops their hood.
you just look through the
I
hole.
don't want to peek through the holes.
It might be dirty. I don't know.
Vlogging the vlogger.
Turbo. Alright, you guys. Show them the It's clean this time. Hey, don't get that wire in there.
What is that, bro?
That's the airbag wire.
Oh.
Yeah.
You need some electricals? I think I got some
Nah, it's good, bro. Cause I'm gonna take it out. That's so much.
Nah, just ground
tight.
out, you know? That shit's good.
Yeah.
No black tape. You don't need no electrical tape.
We good.
Ground out, you know what I'm saying?
Wire tech, huh?
It's okay, man.
It's clean. It's cause it's turbo, bro. What you mean? Turbo life.
This one right here. What about this one?
Nah, we already popped this one, bro. We already popped it. You were in the bathroom. Yeah, you missed out. I think the S2000 would be really, really, really clean. His.
I gotta go on Instagram and touch it.
Let's see.
See under his hood, man.
Oh, I like that.
Carbon fiber, fucking cooling plate, whatever. Those are good.
Oh, alright, bro.
Hey, look at this though.
I know, we saw that.
Hey, you guys can find whoever finds the first problem on my car gets $5. Alright, go ahead.
Like, what's this?
Okay, that's nothing. You're obviously wrong. So
Am I supposed to?
nothing about missing.
Yeah, you are. You're
Something ghetto. What did I do ghetto, man? Something's like.
This is a different color.
Oh damn! Look at this food. Brand spanking new, my boy.
Oh, I do like though that you got the blue wire too.
Cam, check out the cam.
Ooh, let's open the door cover.
Check out the cam.
You know
From the
what,
side,
man?
From the side.
I know I got a lot of problems out here, man.
Little said we pulling that shit out. We spray painting it too. Too much work to take out the top belt, huh?
Just straight up.
Oh, you did, bro. Yeah, you did. You just because it has the
Yeah, it
lining
has
right
the
there,
stuff right here.
like where it was that positioned.
This is how I bought that.
Don't give me my $5. There's something wrong. Where's your hood at?
Yeah, redneck. God damn, bro, you dark. What's up, chump?
Please don't get no dust on my car. The wheels are.
Are you gonna leave anytime soon, sir? Well, we're waiting here with our cameras rolling. I'm already at 5 minutes. He's getting all the dust. He's picking up all the dust. Bro, what's up with that bag?
I like that back.
I don't really like saying because you know there's a lot of people trying to steal, but yeah, it is.
Little paisa. Alright. Who said, I put that there. Whoever said S2000s aren't practical. I got a air tank, compressor in the back.
Still a grocery getter.
Yeah, it's still, yeah. And we still got
Pulling up to the parties.
chairs and everything. Like the whole tent's in there too. This is Christian's new color wheels, white. They look good, bro.
Oh, thanks, man.
I'm not actually. They look really good.
Look, they're already getting dirty. I'm gonna have to deal with this.
Yeah,
you know? Like,
dude.
this is the welcome to the white life.
I just saw that. Yeah, damn, that is true. Like white's gonna be harder to keep clean. He's gonna show every little speck of dirt. You did this last night?
Yeah.
Damn, that's tight. They look clean, bro. They look good too. Like in the freeway and you're rolling.
I seen your
"What?"
face. You're like,
I was like, what the
oh yeah, you
fuck?
didn't see my wheels yet. I thought you seen them at the gas station.
No, I didn't see them. I was like, what the fuck?
Cause you're like,
Window cleaner?
Nah, I don't got window
I
cleaner.
got
There's white water.
spray wax. Spray on wax.
Alright, so So we, unfortunately, to the car meet, we didn't make it like on time, and it wasn't, when we got there, we basically kind of finished. It was over. So we got there, it's finished, it was over, and then we came over here and just did a barbecue, hung out, cool, chilled out with the friends and stuff like that. It was pretty chill. But other than that, yeah, we about to head out. We done. Everybody's gone.
My mind starts tripping, a tear drops my eye. My body temperature falls. I'm shaking and they breaking, trying to save the dough. Pumping on my chest and I'm screaming. I stop breathing, damn, I see demons. Dear God, I wonder, can you save me? I can't die, my boo-boo's about to have my baby. I think it's too late for praying. Hold up, her voice spoke to me and it slowly started saying,
bring your lifestyle to me, I'll make it better.
And how long will I live?
Eternal life and forever.
Or will I be the G that I was?
I make your life better than you can imagine or even dreamed of. So relax your soul, let me take control. Close your eyes, my soul.
My eyes.